I went to breakfast by myself, ate at the table by myself. I was born by myself. It's okay, Sherman is asleep. Look at this view from here. It's windy again. I am not going back through that tunnel. No, sir. We were at the Embassy Suites. I'm going right at this location. Right down this little path over there to the beach. That is like the first police I've seen since we've been here. See, the beach is literally right here. From right there. I said to myself I wasn't going to do any exercise while I was here, but I did. Because I ate a lot of carbs, so I ate from, I don't even know. I'm just walking, enjoying life out here. This is so peaceful. I'm all about peace again, serenity. You already know how I feel about it. Tranquility, vibes in this season, and this adds to it. And I see a sea snake. I'm gonna try to get closer. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film it, but I definitely see one. Yeah, I don't care wherever I am. If I see a snake, I swear I can spot it right off. I don't know what it is. The regular beach is down there, like the beach where you sit on the sand, not these rocks. I, on the other hand, am just exploring. Water literally below my feet, like I could hear it. You see it coming up in the cracks, but it's literally beneath my feet. I hope y'all enjoying this vlog as much as I am. Because Lord knows, this is just, oh my God. It's been such a blessing. Look at that big lizard. Did you see him? He'd hide, but it's blue. Look at this. my shadows probably in the way, but those things sticking to the side of the wall is like ancient to me. It looks very much ancient. Getting closer to the beach area where other people are, but I'm still down here by myself. Where I like to be, by myself. Most of the time. I found so much more interesting stuff just walking on these rocks. I feel like you go straight to the ocean, everybody see the same thing. Each other. Fish, sand, the sky, you know, you see the same thing. They probably hadn't seen the crabs, the sea snakes, or observed any of these rocks because they're not appealing to the eye or aesthetically pleasing for their videos or pictures. So they miss out on this. But this is a part of it. Like, there's no ocean without this. You know what I mean? You got to see the whole picture of things, not just the beauty of things. You got to see the process. Listen to this. Listen to this. It's like music to your ears. Now this is where the people are. I think this is Eagle Beach. Don't quote me, but I think so. And this is the beach we might come back to later. Again, don't quote me, but I believe that's right. This is like the most famous beach here. I wanted to go to Flamingo Island, but I have to catch a boat. I didn't book a tour for that. Aruba, this will not be the last time you see me, so next time we'll go to Flamingo Island. I don't know how many miles that was that I walked from here to Eagle Beach, but I did it myself. So for everybody who's afraid to do things by themselves at home or in a new place, stop being afraid. Just do it. Begets fear. So if you're scared, you bring it on the fear. You bring it on. You invite in whatever it is that you're afraid of. Don't be afraid of anything. Just go. Just do it. On the beach chilling. We're about to ride a scooter.
Birds, not scooter.
Bird, correction.
The scooter you do with your feet, girl.
We out here.
Not with electricity.
Oh, it's gotta be a smart comment. Okay, we're about to get an electric bird out here.
A different app.
That's a vacation club over there. Spa, grill, casino. We are actually riding a bird. We finished on our bird. Parked it. Now it's time to eat. That again.
Be careful, okay? Don't say nothing because the queen is coming down from the stairs. Wow.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Harease.
Harease. Let me ask you one question. Wow. Yeah, I love your crown.
Thank you.
Are you a flight attendant?
No.
Give me a hand. Whoa!
You are something. Jorge.
Please. Stand by.
Towel?
Okay. Never stop smiling, honey.
Don't ever stop.
The smile is the key to enter the paradise.
Thank you.
All right? You're so gorgeous.
Thank you.
You never stop to be gorgeous, right?
No.
Keep eating what you're eating. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
All right, beautiful.
Thank you. Are you just telling me that to make my head big?
Why do you make your hair big?
My head.
Why?
You just tell me that.
No. I'm giving love. That's my specialty.
I appreciate it.
If you're happy, that gives me a lot of joy.
Course. One happy island, no?
Yes.
That was so sweet because I look a mess. If only he knew. Today is our last day. I'm headed to the beach again this morning. Get my little beach on before we go. It's raining just a little bit, but not enough to stop me. Honestly, this water is really kind of cold because it's not as hot out here yet. So I think I'm going to wait it out. I can't stay out here too long today. Like I said, we're leaving, but it is what it is. But let me tell you some of the top things that I think you should know before you get here. If you ever come here, it's a beautiful place. Hence, all the videos, all the content you've seen from myself and from other people. Another thing is, rent a car. It's cheaper to get around. It is kind of expensive if you don't prepare for it. If you're prepared for it financially, even if you are, I think the smarter, more budget-friendly thing to do is to rent a car. Go to the grocery store. Food we've eaten here every day, it's been no less than $100 for both of us. I've eaten bread. I usually don't, but I did. I mean, I don't even know why I had to say that at this point, because that don't have nothing to do with what I was saying. But what else I was about to say? We went to the grocery store too. I didn't vlog in that because I didn't feel comfortable. What else would I say? Booking trips. If you're going to rent a car, there is no need to book a trip. These trips are very expensive as well. ATVs, RTVs, four-wheelers, they have them all. And they're like two Jeeps. The Jeeps cost the most. They're like $200 a day. ATVs and stuff, they have trips for that. It's expensive as well. To each his own. I'm just giving you a tip. I'm trying to think of some more things. When I do, I'll let you know. But right now, I can't think of anything. So. This is my first time in the ocean here. It's kind of warm on this side. I think I'm gonna get in on this side. This is my first time in the ocean. I haven't gotten in the ocean here I like to touch the water everywhere I go so that my DNA can be locked and loaded. You understand? I'm about to get in the water on this side though. See what works quick. And since Jorge gave me a towel and I had one, that worked out perfectly. It is definitely raining, but I'm not gonna stop, okay? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at the water behind me. Like you can see straight through it. That's why it's a little chilly. I wish I could show you these crabs, but like I said, they're so fast. This is so beautiful. It's raining, the sun is shining, and again, it's still warm. It's literally like I'm out here all alone on a deserted island because there is no one else out here except myself and some workers, I think, back there working on that new condo. So if you're looking for a new condo or apartment, luxury living, they're making new ones right here. So FYI, because we might be interested, you understand? I'm gonna enjoy this and spend time in the universe and spend time with the Most High. Just enjoy this moment here while I'm here. I only got this moment in life, so this man I've seen every day swimming in here. And you see that little scooty right there? That's what he came over here in. He came over here in the scooty, but he swam out here every single morning that I've seen him. So what's your excuse? Oh, you don't have one. Oh, okay. Our last moment here. We are leaving today. I am outside. Let me show you the view. I think I already showed you the view, but I'm going to show you again today. This is the entry. Actually about to go either to the mall or out in town to try to find something from here or not, but we're going out there anyway because we haven't been to the mall. You know, I don't know, we like a good mall. A good mall, okay? We're departing the hotel. I hope I don't get copyright, so let me know. customs like 12 times. Just 12.